Hello and happy Terrific Tuesday. Thank you so much for tuning in for our math lesson today. We are going to go back to the grocery store and we're going to work on our money skills. So go ahead and get your play dollar bills out, or if you would like, we have our virtual site that I have been using. So do whatever you like and what works best for you. So our first, let's make sure that we're on the right page. So here's what we're going to do. So we're going to do the same thing that we did yesterday, and I'm going to show you an item from the grocery store, and you're going to get that amount ready. So for example, we are getting mayonnaise today. The price of mayonnaise is $3 because we're looking just at that first number, right? Because that's where the dollar amount is. So $3. So go ahead and show me. I'm going to show you what we're doing. So I'm going to show $3. One, I don't really like it like that. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so you should have $3 out and ready to hand to your parent to pay up. All right, and before I keep going, Aiden, if this is too easy for you, like I said yesterday, you can have mom or dad add up and make you a receipt and have you add up grocery store items. So, for example, you would be adding mayonnaise, eggs, and an apple, and then you get the total price for that. So just whatever you would like to do. So we've already done mayonnaise. Our next item on our grocery list is pizza! I love pizza, so I'm going to go ahead and get a box. The price for a box of pizza is $5, so go ahead and get your money out. I'm going to clear this. All right, I'm going to show you $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make sure. Here we have $5. And as I'm doing this, you should be using your money as well. All right, so we're ready to pay up. All right, we're on to the next one. On to the next grocery item. What's this? Yum! We need some eggs. How much are eggs? $2. So let's go ahead and get $2 out. Oh. And another thing that you can do, Aiden, is you can subtract it from the amount that you had. So for example, you had 5, so you can subtract the amount to get 2. So for example, you would need to take 3 away. Oh my goodness. Hang on if you can see me struggle. 2, 3. And then, of course, you would be left with the amount. Obviously, not everybody is on that level, so that is okay. All right, so back to square one. You're going to show me $2. 1, 2. Good job. Hand it over to mom or dad. Pay up. All right, on to our next list. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Our next list is tomatoes. How much are tomatoes? Good job. They are $1. So you're going to show me $1. Again, I am resetting all of these. Go ahead and clear your area. Then you're going to start from 0. Go 1. So that is $1. Is that how much we need to pay for the tomatoes? Good job. All right, go ahead and clear your area so no one gets confused. And we're going to look at the next item on our list. Is this milk or is this turkey? Good job. This is milk. And milk is how much? $2 or $4? Good job. Milk is $2. So go ahead and get your money out, and you're going to count 1, 2. That is the right amount. That's $2. Go ahead and hand it over to mom or dad or even siblings. Good job. Next on our list is what? This is tuna, canned tuna. Now, I don't know about you, but I love tuna. Not a lot of people do, but I love a good tuna sandwich. So, I'm going to buy that today. It is how much? Is it $1 or $2? Good job. It is $2. So, go ahead and get your money ready. You're going to count 1, 2. Good job. Go ahead and hand that over and pay up. And now we are on our next item on our list. We have 2 more. And what is this? Whoop. This is syrup to go on your pancakes or your waffles. Yum! How much is syrup? Is it $1? Or is it $3? Good job. It is $1. So I'm going to get my money ready and count 1 for $1. Awesome job. We have 1 more, friends, and then we'll be done for the day. What's the last item on our list? Oh, yum, my favorite. Donuts. What's your favorite donut? My favorite donut is chocolate. So delicious. So, how much is the donuts? Is it $1 or is it $3? Good job. It's $1. So you're going to show me $1. 1. That's $1. Awesome job, friends. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And we will work on this more Thursday. All right? Okay, see you around.